In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Calendly from Google Calendar. Now, whether you're rearranging your scheduling tools or simply prefer not to have Calendly access your Google Calendar anymore, this process is quite straightforward, and I'll be guiding you through each step to ensure you can easily manage your digital tools and keep your calendar in sync with only the services you want. First, we're going to start by navigating to Calendly's website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to proceed. Calendly offers a few ways to log in, but since we're focusing on disconnecting it from Google Calendar, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This option streamlines the process by using your Google account linked to Calendly. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use. This should be the Google account that's currently connected to your Calendly account. Once you've selected the correct account, you might need to grant Calendly permissions again, or simply continue if you've previously granted these permissions. Next, once you're successfully logged into your Calendly account, you would want to navigate your way to the personal settings or dashboard area of Calendly. Look for an option titled Integrations and Apps. This section is crucial as it's where Calendly manages all your connections with external applications and services, including Google Calendar. In the Integrations and Apps section, you will find all the services Calendly can link with. Since we are focusing on Google Calendar, go ahead and click on the Google Calendar option. This action will take you to a page dedicated to managing how Calendly and Google Calendar interact. It's in this area that you can see the details about what is being synced and how Calendly is accessing your Google Calendar information. To proceed with the disconnection, you will find a delete icon or a similar option that indicates you can remove or disconnect the Google Calendar integration. Clicking on this delete icon will prompt Calendly to ask for your confirmation to disconnect. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental disconnections, so if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your choice. Upon confirmation, Calendly will immediately sever the link with your Google Calendar. This means Calendly will no longer have the ability to read or write to your Google Calendar. Your meetings or events previously scheduled via Calendly will remain in your Google Calendar, but no new ones will be added automatically from that point onwards. It's important to note that while this disconnects the two services, it does not delete your Calendly account, nor does it affect your Google Calendar outside of this specific integration. Now that you've successfully disconnected Calendly from your Google Calendar, you might want to review your Calendly account to adjust any settings or consider how you'll manage your appointments moving forward. If you're planning to connect to a different calendar service or simply use Calendly without a direct calendar integration, take the time to explore Calendly's settings and customization options to ensure it fits your scheduling needs. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected Calendly from your Google Calendar, giving you more control over your appointment scheduling and the integrations you use. Remember, managing your digital tools effectively allows you to streamline your workflow and ensure your tools are working for you in the most productive way possible. If you ever need to reconnect Calendly to Google Calendar or another service, just follow the steps for integration available on Calendly's platform and you'll be back up and running in no time. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to explore our channel for more tips and guides on managing your digital tools and boosting your productivity. Stay organized and see you in the next video.